Lesson: Building accountability into AI audits. Building accountability into AI audits is a critical component of ensuring that artificial intelligence systems operate ethically, transparently, and in compliance with regulatory standards. Accountability in AI auditing refers to the responsibility that organizations, developers, and stakeholders have in ensuring that AI systems are designed, deployed, and maintained in a manner that upholds ethical standards and legal requirements. This responsibility extends to documenting processes, decisions, and outcomes in a way that is transparent and can be scrutinized by both internal and external parties. This lesson will explore actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals can utilize to enhance accountability in AI audits. The first step in building accountability into AI audits involves establishing a clear governance framework. This framework should define the roles and responsibilities of all stakeholders involved in the AI lifecycle. By delineating these roles, organizations can ensure that each party understands their accountability in the development, deployment, and monitoring of AI systems. A robust governance framework can include the formation of an AI ethics board or committee tasked with overseeing the compliance and ethical considerations of AI projects. This board should be composed of diverse stakeholders, including technical experts, ethicists, legal professionals, and representatives from affected communities. Such diversity ensures a holistic approach to accountability, taking into account various perspectives and potential impacts. One practical tool that can be integrated into this governance framework is the use of responsible AI principles. These principles, such as fairness, transparency, and accountability, can guide the development and auditing processes. By embedding these principles into every stage of the AI lifecycle, organizations can systematically address ethical concerns and ensure accountability. For instance, transparency can be achieved by documenting decision-making processes and data usage comprehensively. This documentation should detail how data is collected, processed, and used by AI systems, and it should be readily available for audit purposes. To further enhance accountability, organizations can implement AI audit trails. These trails track and record every decision and action taken by an AI system, providing a detailed log that can be reviewed during audits. Audit trails are essential for identifying any deviations from expected behavior and for understanding the rationale behind automated decisions. They also serve as a critical tool for demonstrating compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. For example, in the European Union, the General Data Protection Regulation mandates that organizations provide explanations for automated decisions, making audit trails a vital component of regulatory compliance. Incorporating accountability into AI audits also requires the use of standardized frameworks and assessment tools. The AI Audit Framework developed by the Joint Research Center of the European Commission is one such example. This framework provides a structured approach to evaluating AI systems, focusing on aspects such as data quality, algorithmic fairness, and system transparency. By using standardized frameworks, organizations can ensure consistency in their auditing processes and facilitate comparisons across different AI systems and projects. A step-by-step application of building accountability into AI audits begins with conducting a comprehensive risk assessment. This assessment should identify potential ethical, legal, and operational risks associated with the AI system. Once risks are identified, organizations can implement mitigation strategies to address these concerns. For instance, bias mitigation techniques can be applied to ensure that AI systems do not perpetuate discrimination or unfair treatment. Regular monitoring and evaluation should be conducted to assess the effectiveness of these mitigation strategies and to ensure ongoing compliance with accountability standards. Case studies provide valuable insights into how organizations can effectively build accountability into AI audits. One notable example is the use of AI in hiring processes. AI systems used for candidate screening and selection can introduce biases if not properly managed. A study conducted by Amazon revealed that their AI recruitment tool was biased against female candidates due to historical data reflecting gender disparities in the tech industry. In response, Organizations have adopted accountability measures such as bias testing and auditing of AI recruitment tools to prevent similar issues. These measures include evaluating the datasets used for training AI models, testing the models for biased outcomes, and implementing corrective actions where necessary. Statistics further illustrate the importance of accountability in AI audits. A survey conducted by the Capgemini Research Institute found that 62% of consumers would place greater trust in AI if they knew it was governed by a responsible and accountable framework. This highlights the growing demand for transparency and accountability from AI users and stakeholders. As AI systems continue to permeate various aspects of society, the need for accountable and ethical AI practices becomes increasingly imperative. Finally, building accountability into AI audits requires ongoing education and training for all stakeholders involved. Organizations should invest in capacity-building initiatives to ensure that their staff are equipped with the knowledge and skills needed to conduct thorough and effective AI audits. This includes training on ethical AI principles, regulatory compliance, and the use of auditing tools and frameworks. By fostering a culture of accountability and continuous learning, organizations can ensure that their AI systems remain compliant, ethical, and aligned with societal values. In conclusion, building accountability into AI audits is a multifaceted process that requires a combination of governance frameworks, practical tools, standardized assessment methods, and continuous education. By implementing these strategies, organizations can enhance the accountability of their AI systems, thereby ensuring compliance with ethical standards and regulatory requirements. This lesson has provided actionable insights and practical examples to guide professionals in embedding accountability into their AI auditing practices, ultimately contributing to the development of responsible and trustworthy AI systems.